heavens, an unknown organism has invaded. It got into a fight with the green fuzz monster I was raising. The story began half a year ago. My flower pot grew many moss capsules, and out of curiosity, I snapped one open. Inside was moss spore powder, which I sprinkled onto pieces of wood. And guess what? I grew a green fuzz monster. Right after sprinkling, I set my spray bottle to the finest mist setting to humidify it. By day 5, the powder seemed to come alive, moving to suitable spots on its own. Fast forward to day 39. The wood started showing green. This is the second stage of moss reproduction, the Protonema stage. Zoomed in, it looks like a bunch of green fuzz. Spores don't grow directly into moss, they first grow into Protonema and then into moss. At this stage, keep it moist by pouring just a tiny bit of water at the base, and keep the air humidity between 70 to 80%. By day 92, it grew bigger and much denser, and by day 167, the wood completely turned into a fluffy green fuzz monster. But then, a problem occurred. It was invaded by a mysterious white fuzz. The green fuzz and white fuzz fought, but the green fuzz was losing, so I stepped in with diluted potassium permanganate, a fungicide. After soaking it for half an hour, I rinsed it thoroughly with clean water. Soon, the green fuzz will turn into full moss. But if it stays half submerged in water, will it become an amphibious plant, half Java moss and half land moss?